this video is going over the two restrictions on our domain. When you're asked to find the domain of a function, there's two things that would provide an error message when you plug it into your calculator. The first is if you try to divide by 0. You're not able to divide by 0. So whenever you have a fraction, you need to make sure that the denominator cannot equal 0. So in this first problem here, I do not want the denominator to equal 0. So you're simply solving this new equation right here to find your domain. So you're going to subtract 1 and then divide by 3. So our domain is that x cannot equal negative 1/3. And we'll always write that in interval notation, negative infinity to negative 1/3, union negative 1/3 to infinity. The second restriction we have on our domain is a square root. We cannot take the square root of negative numbers. Therefore, anything within the square root must be greater than or equal to 0, because we can take the square root of 0. The square root of 0 is 0. So this is the new equation that we're going to solve. We're going to do that by subtracting 5. So x can be greater than or equal to negative 5. Writing that in interval notation, negative 5 gets a bracket going all the way to infinity.